Making money on DesignCrowd is a great way to leverage your design skills and earn income. DesignCrowd is a crowdsourcing platform where clients post design projects, and designers submit their work to compete for the job. Here's how you can make money on DesignCrowd. Create an account. Start by registering on the DesignCrowd platform as a designer. After completing your profile with your skills, portfolio, and a clear description of your expertise, you can begin applying for projects. Browse projects. DesignCrowd offers various design categories such as logos, websites, packaging, illustrations, and more. Browse the available projects and choose those that match your skills and interests. Submit designs. Once you find a project, submit your design proposal. Clients typically post a brief outlining their requirements. Tailor your submission to meet their needs, ensuring you offer a unique and creative solution. Get paid when selected. If your design is chosen, you will receive payment based on the project terms. Payment varies, but top quality designs can command significant payouts, especially for premium or complex projects. Build your reputation. By consistently delivering high quality work, you can build a solid reputation on the platform, which increases your chances of being invited to more lucrative projects.